very good morning, children. Today in Maths, we are continuing with the chapter multiplication. So, in the last class, we discussed what is multiplication and learnt repeated addition. We learnt that multiplication is adding the same number. So, let's move on to today's class. In your text, page number 45, you can see the skip counting. So, you can open your text, take page number 45 and here we have skip counting. So, what is skip counting? Here we have skip counting in twos. On the number wheel, skip count in twos and color the numbers. One has been done for you. So, this is skip counting in twos. So, we have to skip two numbers and color the number. So, one has been done for us. Here, the first 2 is colored. Now, we have to start counting from the number 2. 2 times we have to count. So, from 2, 1, 2. We reach the number 4. So, that has also been colored. From number 4, we have to move 2 numbers forward. So, this is a wheel. And so, it's called a skip counting on a number wheel. So, from 4, we have to count 2. Because it's skip counting in twos, we have to move forward with the number 2. So, from 4, 1, 2. We reach the number 6. So, we have to color the number 6. From number 6, we have to again move forward 2 numbers. So, from 6, 1, 2. We reach the number 8. So, the next number to be colored is 8. From 8, again 2 numbers to be skipped. So, from 8, 1, 2. We reach the number 10. Likewise, you can color the rest of the wheel. Repeated addition. In the last class, we learnt what is repeated addition. So, let's revise again. Here we have 2 plus 2. The number repeating is 2. And how many times it's repeating? 2 times. So, we can write it as 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next, we have 3 plus 3. Which number is repeating? The number 3 is repeating and it has been repeated here 2 times. So, it can be written as 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Which number is being repeated? It's 4 and it's repeated 3 times. So, we can write it as 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Next, we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, the number 3 is repeated 4 times and we can write this number as 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So, here you have an activity. You can open your notebook, write today's date and the heading chapter 4 multiplication and then write down the questions. So, let's check the questions. The first question is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, it's been given in the repeated addition. Write the multiplication form and also the answer. The second one is 4 plus 4 is equal to. The third one is 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to. And fourth one is 5 plus 5 plus 5. So, pause the video and once you have done with, you can come back. Here we have first one 2 plus 2 plus 2 and the answer is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. The second one 4 plus 4, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Third one 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Fourth one 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So, hope your answers are correct. Now, today let's learn the multiplication table of 2. In your textbook, you can see this table in the page number 46. So, here it's multiplication table of 2. In the first picture, you can see 2 slices of bread and only one group is there. So, we can write it down as 2. In the second group, we have 2 groups and each group there are 2 slices. So, we can write it as 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Likewise, you can see the number till 10. So, 10 groups of bread are given here. So, how can we write this? In the first one, 2. Only 2 slices. So, we can write it as only one group. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Second, we have 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Third, we have 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, the number 2 is repeating 3 times. We can write it as 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The number 2 is repeating 4 times. So, it's been written 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The number 2 is repeating 5 times. So, it can be written as 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Here you can see the number 2 is being repeated 6 times. So, it's been written as 2 into 6 is equal to 12. The next, the number 2 is repeated 7 times and it can be written as 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Here, the number 2 is repeated 8 times and can be written as 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Here, the number 2 is repeated 9 times and we can write it as 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Here, the last one, we have 10 times the number 2 repeating and it's written as 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Now, let's learn the multiplication table of 2. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So, this is a multiplication table of 2. This is very important and you need to learn the tables, all the multiplication tables. You can read it out along with me. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So, this is the multiplication table of 2. Now, let's check the table of 5. First, here you can see 5. So, how many groups of 5 is there? Only one group. So, how can we write it? 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Next, we have 5 plus 5 is equal to 5 into 2. The number 5 is being repeated and it's repeated 2 times. So, it's written as 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Third, we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Here in the fourth one, you have 5 repeating 4 times. So, how can we write that? We can write it as 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Here, the last one, you can see 5 repeating 5 times. So, it's written as 5 into 5 is equal to 25. This is a picture in your textbook, page number 47. So, here we have flowers. In the first picture, there is only one flower, but it's having 5 petals. So, we can write it as 5 itself. In the second picture, you have 2 flowers, 2 groups, and in each one there is 5 petals. So, we can write it as 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Third picture, you have 3 flowers and in each group there are 5 petals. So, how can we write it? 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. So, now, let's check the table of 5. This is the table of 5. So, let's read it together. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. So, this is the multiplication table of 5. Now, let's learn the multiplication table of 10. Here in your text, page number 48, you can see this picture. So, in this picture, there is necklace and each necklace has some beads. So, in the first picture, there is one necklace and that necklace has 10 beads. So, we can write the number as 10. In the second picture, there are 2 necklaces and in each necklace there are 10 beads. So, we can write it as 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. In the third one, there are 3 necklaces. So, we can write it as 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Likewise, in the last picture, you can see there are 10 necklaces. And how can we write it as? The number 10 repeats 10 times. So, the answer is 100. Now let's learn the table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. So you can repeat the table along with me. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90 and 10 tens are 100. So we have learned the multiplication table of 2, 5 and 10 today. So there's an activity for you. In the next class, you have to learn all the three tables, all these three tables that we have learned today. Table of 2, 5 and 10. So that's all for today. We'll be continuing the rest of the chapter in the next class. Till then, thank you.